Rangers Protocol, a blockchain infrastructure for the virtual world of the future. Hi everybody, in this article, we will talk about a promising undertaking that has numerous potential and objectives later on, which is the Rangers Protocol project. First, what is the Rangers Protocol project? Rangers Protocol is a future-situated virtual world blockchain framework hatched by Mix Marvel, incorporating cross-chain, NFT, and EVM conventions. As a superior chain bunch that can understand the EVM multi-chain contract interoperability, Rangers Protocol serves all business people who need to investigate the blockchain world. It permits pioneer designers to uninhibitedly evaluate different substance and applications in the Rangers Protocol environment without consent. What is Rangers Engine? Rangers Engine is the centerpiece of Rangers Protocol. It is a superior chain that upholds complex applications and is exceptionally versatile. What is Rangers Connector? Rangers Connector is answerable for finishing the interconnection with different public chains, and its essential capacity is to give cross-chain administrations to engineers and clients. What are the specialized provisions of Rangers? Composability and interoperability. One of Rangers Protocol's dreams is to turn into the scaffold for blockchain resources dissemination and interface with different public chains. Accordingly, advanced resources can work flawlessly between Rangers Protocol and the public chain dependent on the idea of decentralization. High performance, high security, high stability, and truly random numbers. In the blockchain world, the significance of the really irregular numbers is plainly obvious. As a rule, a substantial, really arbitrary number necessitates to have the accompanying two attributes, eccentricism and undeniable nature. Accepting Bitcoin for instance, it utilizes hash to produce genuinely irregular numbers. Notwithstanding, its energy utilization is excessively huge and tedious to be utilized for an enormous scope. In Rangers Protocol, we consolidate VRF plus BLS innovation to create really irregular numbers at the millisecond level. Temporality. Due to the vulnerability of the record status brought about by the delicate fork instrument in the conventional public chains, designers frequently need to choose which account status is the last state dependent on experience. For instance, the normal Ethereum/Bitcoin standard requires trusting that 6 squares will be created prior to giving affirmation. Likewise, under this offbeat/holding up system, DApp engineers frequently need to get back to /survey/prefer messages to handle business rationale, as opposed to customary designers' propensities. Compatibility. Compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, Rangers Protocol is a brilliant agreement chain viable with Ethereum Virtual Machine. We need to make it simple for existing and new tasks to send applications to Rangers Protocol. The greater part of these have now conveyed applications with a respectable measure of clients are on Ethereum. So it is fundamental for us to endeavor to make Rangers Protocol's working climate viable with Ethereum. Ease of use. While viable with EVM, Rangers Protocol has made new savvy contract watchwords for tasks like cross-chain and NFT conventions. Therefore, designers who utilize these catchphrases and shrewd agreements can partake in the remarkable composability and operability brought by Rangers Protocol. What is the symbolic meaning of Rangers? RPG, Rangers Protocol Gas, is the Rangers Protocol biological system token, with an absolute stockpile of 21 million pieces. In the monetary arrangement of Rangers Protocol, natural hubs that produce blocks are isolated into proposition and confirmation hubs. This framework embraces an open interest instrument, permitting all enlisted clients to partake in the framework's activity. The token allocation of Rangers. Tokens will flow among clients, designers, financial backers, and natural hubs. In the first place, Rangers Protocol will be associated with significant stages and urge designers to create, disperse, and work their applications dependent on Rangers Protocol. Besides, Rangers Protocol has planned the tokens buy and stake system, which means engineers need to buy and stake tokens to utilize Rangers Protocol. At the point when clients encounter or put resources into applications that entrance Rangers Protocol, they likewise need to purchase and burn through tokens. For example, they can pay tokens to application engineers. With the biological systems extension, the symbolic will keep on expanding in esteem. Conclusion. Rangers Protocol is promising and productive organization, whose task guarantees the unwavering quality, monetary security and great future. This task has a genuinely proficient and inventive group that has numerous awesome thoughts. Ranger's protocol uses an understanding system subject to the handoff chain, and a sharp range melters and more natural hubs will make it an upright monetary cycle.